Are we going to get another crash in gold? Are we going to get another crash in silver? What's mining stocks doing? Gold mining stocks. What are you doing? GDXJ. Are we about to see a leg down? What's going on? Let me show you what I'm seeing right now on a shorter term picture. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so firstly, I want to put something aside with these little bumblebees that watch my videos, little pumpkins, all right? I think some of my people that watch my videos, I think they need a little bot, right? Little bot, little dummy, some nice warm milk, and a little nappy in the cat in the kit. In the cot, the kit cot, right? You need a little dummy, a little bot, little warm milk, and need to hop in the cot for a while and have a little bit of a nap. I think you guys are a little flying off the handle. So, because yesterday I did a video, I'm just like, guys, looking at these markets right now, we're still heading down, and I can't fight it on a short-term basis, and that's what I see. I have always been, guys, long-term bullish with these markets, with the metals and miners and so on and so forth. Now, not all mining stocks, just some of the mining stocks. And when it comes to metals, I am long-term bullish, right? Long-term investing bullish. But that does not mean that does not mean we're not going to see what we're seeing right now, which is continued downward movement. I have to flow with the markets. Now, some people are saying in the comment section, oh, but John, you said there was a slingshot pattern and I was about to make a big move up. Guess what? If you actually watch the video, Little Pumpkin and Little Bumblebees who liked that comment, guess what? If you actually watch the video, the slingshot pattern did not confirm. And hang on a minute, let's just time out here for a minute. Just because a pattern does confirm the market, doesn't mean it's going to eventuate into what we think it's going to do. There is no 100% certainties in the markets ever. So if the slingshot pattern, which I'm not going to talk about the slingshot pattern right here, but if the slingshot pattern did eventuate, which it didn't confirm, so there was no slingshot pattern, it was only a potential because there was no confirmation. So there was no trade. But the whole thing about this is that don't look for certainties. There is none. Stop trying to so should I trade now? Should I get in now? If you're short-term trading, for me, I'm a investor in these gold markets. Gold, me, long-term bullish, giha, right? That means right now we could be getting ready for more deflation in gold, in silver, in the mining stocks, deflation. Come on down. But guess what? I see rampant inflation coming this year, end of this year, and 2022. Therefore, my 2025 view is that we're going to be much higher than where we are right now in gold. So that's my position. I'm actually long-term bullish in gold. But if my charts are continue to roll down, the markets, no, don't shoot the messenger, right? I'm just the messenger boy. I'm the messenger boy. Don't shoot the messenger. Read the markets itself. The markets are talking. And the more we can read the markets, the better trader will be. And again, if you go to John's, JOHNS, I know I've got a trading course that was $500. Now it's only like $7. $7, guys. I know it's like 10 videos, 12 hours long, something like that, teaching you chart reading strategies, teaching you some amazing trading systems if you are trading on the short term. So go get it, $7. I know some people charge $300, $400 for their courses, but I'm just doing this, guys, to give back. So go get it before the price goes up. Because as you guys, most people charge like $300, $400, right? Johnny Bravo is like a $300 course. Me, Kevin, right? It's like all these people out there. I'm sure you guys are watching these people, right? It's like, no, right? You don't need to learn a lot. And that's the reason why in this trading course that I got, it's only condensed down into a really bite-sized chunks. Here's the foundations you need to know as a good trader. Here's some amazing, powerful chart reading techniques. Here's some amazing, powerful chart reading patterns, some trade management, and some mindset stuff. And you're ready to go. You don't need 1,000 videos, guys. No, you just need some really bite-sized chunks to help you with the main 4 quarters of what goes into a good trader, which is the foundations. What actually makes you a good trader? The chart reading stuff. How do I read the charts? Trading systems. How do I actually trade the systems? And then comes the trade management and then also mindset. There's the 4 quarters you need to know. And if you don't know any of single one of those, you're always going to be missing the part there. Especially if you don't know what I call the foundations. Again, you'll see I've got like what I call the bullseye method in that trading course, and you'll be able to see that. So looking at gold, looking at what's happening right now with gold, as I said before, guys, Gold right now is continuing to make these lower highs all the way down. And so we are on a downward sloping movement in gold. We are at long-term support, so we're having a little bit of bouncy right now. But look what's been happening ever since. A little bounce, little bounce, little bounce. So we're rallying down and rallying back up again. And so therefore, we could be getting ready for more deflationary here. Now, we just don't know. We never pick bottoms. What you want to do is whenever you're trading, do something like this. Capture the middle 60% and never the top 20% and the bottom 20%. What I mean by that is that when the market goes down and then it starts to pick back up, you want to enter here, exit here, and then it ends here. Because if you don't do that, you're probably likely to see that and you're like, oh, my beans got wasted. No beans for me today. I'm not a bean collector. I'm a debt collector for my own debts. Anyway, so looking out there with gold, looking at silver right now. Again, nothing going on. We're still hovering around that major support around that $25 level. Once again, if we do break that, next major support is around the $22 level. So get ready, because if we do break that, we could be getting ready for a movement on the downside by looking at all of this. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Moving over now through to the through to the GDXJ. What are we seeing here right now? Again, guys, just looking on the absolute short-term basis. Don't kill me. I'm just a messenger. I'm just teaching you what I'm seeing in the markets, what the markets are doing. I'm not trying to pick a bottom. So we can see we have a high, we have a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. We're doing this. So there's a good chance we're going to see something like that coming soon. Moving average is strong. So get ready for more of a pullback coming in the markets. Same for the GDX as well too. Look at this here. Nice lower high, 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 lower lower highs all the way down. If you guys are thinking like, what the hell is John on today? It's like, if you guys watched my first update about the stock market, you know that I'm pretty pissed right now. I'm actually not on anything. I'm actually pretty ticked. I'm pretty ticked off because if you haven't watched that, quick little recap. Me and my private clients got into an absolute beautiful trade today. Should I say, a lot of my private clients got filled. I trade options. They trade options. Some of my clients actually bought the stock and bought the options on a beautiful setup that appeared with the trading system. Again, I can't show you the trade right now because we're still in it, or those who got filled are still in it right now. So I'm not going to talk about it in the public. It was only for me and my private clients. Again, I can't talk about it because I don't want to be in. I just don't want to go down there. I'm happy talking about it after get out the trade, but the after hours. You know, one of my private clients made 20% return on his trade after market hours, like 20% on his stock trade, and then they also bought options on the same trade as well too. And so the markets now, this particular trade we got into just before the market closed, the market's now up 20-30% after hours. So if it gaps up open 20-30%, the options could be up over 100% return just after market hours. Guess what? I didn't get filled. Now why? Well, if you understand how options work, I like to buy it less. So if there's a spread between say $1.50 and say $2.20, just say that's the spread there with the options that I trade, I'll start at 160 and then 170 and then 180, and then I'll keep bidding up until I end up just having to pay the best price I can get filled. And that's why I try to start less, and then I keep bidding it up until I can get filled. Well, what happened is I was almost about to get filled, and the last minute the market took off like another 10%. Bam! And so this spread went crazy. A lot of my private clients got filled, but this guy didn't get filled. Anyway, I know there's plenty of more opportunities out there, guys, but I'm pretty ticked right now because I didn't get filled. Now, good for my private clients because they're going to make, again, one of my private clients, he actually bought the stock and sold it after hours for like 20+% return. Like, thank you very much. After hours, after hours. And the options, if the market, now, if the market does open up to where it is right now, then those options are going to be up 50, 80, 100%, maybe even more. It's going to be crazy to see those option prices. So that's why I'm a little ticked. But the good thing about it is, guess what? The trading systems that we follow, they're powerful. And when you get the amazing quality setups, oh my goodness. That's what it's all about, right? So, and guys, again, if you'd like to learn some of my trading patterns that I use to trade the markets, then just grab that $7 trading course, guys. I'll be able to teach you some of the patterns that we use, or pretty much all the patterns we use to actually trade the markets, and that'll actually help you continue moving forward. So, Guys, I hope this helped you out. Once again, go to johnsflashstyle.com. Grab that $7 trading course because you're not going to get it. Most guys sell $300, $400, $500. I don't know. I'm just doing $7 just to help you guys out. I'm not getting rich off $7. Even if 1,000 of you bought it, it's only $7,000, right? You know, it's not about me. It's about you and helping you and it's giving back to you. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Are we going to continue this deflationary period in the gold and miners, or are we about to see a rocket ship? Let me know, guys.